I am Comrade Imechita Brave Chukwu, Chairman of the Joint Public Negotiating Council of Rivers State.
All right, sir. It's no longer news that the Supreme Court has restored the order stopping the allocation of the state. This will definitely affect even workers, payment of salaries, and all the rest of that. What is the reaction of the Nigerian Labour Congress or the Labour in Rivers State?
Well, so far we have respect for the Supreme Court, their judgment and not the rest of them. But I think that anything that borders on the issue of payment of the ordinary worker of Rivers State, we will not pretend about it. So whatever judgment, whatever that is going on is political. We are not addressing it from the political angle. We are addressing it as it will affect our people, the workers. The workers are very, very confident, 100% comfortable with what His Excellency is doing by paying them their monthly salary, paying them all the allowances, all that is due them, pensions and all the gratuities and all the rest of them. It would be a disservice if a well-recognized arm of the government will take such a drastic measure. So for today, we don't want to react on it. We want until it is proved otherwise. For today, we are just hearing is a news. A lot of people said that is the verdict. We have not seen the copy of the judgment that has it that allocation of that.
If eventually at the end of March you do not receive.
No, if we don't receive our salary, we will come out on the street. We will say no to it. We will say no because the judgment should be able to protect the ordinary man. That is why judiciary is the last hope of the common man. If this is done and salary is seized, people are no longer paid. How do you expect people to pay their children's school fees? How do you expect them to pay rent? How do you expect them to go to work? It will mean that those that are supposed to protect us are no longer protecting us. That is what it means.
If you step out on the street, who will be protected?
Oh, definitely we will cry out that the world will hear and ask what has the civil servants of Rivers State done under a leadership that has been labor friendly, under a leadership that have been look at the environment where you are. This is a quarter that a governor has built for government house civil servants. I mean, one seeing this will appreciate this governor. One seeing it will know that this governor meant good for the people of Rivers State, and so we will not relent on anything that is within the limit of the law to say no to seizing our salary. If you seize our salary, what else do you want us to do? Are you wishing us life or death? So we'll resist that.